Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel, Down1914. I'm your host, here to bring you another sneaker review. So let's hop right into it. Unboxing, review, and on foot of the Air Zoom Huarache 2K4 Varsity Red, Varsity Royal. Let's go ahead and check it out. Had this sitting on this pair for a while, finally able to bring it to you. Let's go ahead and unbox it, no tape. Let's rip the box open. Huge box too, by the way. Man. Yeah, we're gonna get right into it. All right, so here's the box, man. This is a glorious box. Check that out. And you see that right there? Now, if you look at that, right, that's gonna be on the shoe as well. And with that, it's two things, right? So this shoe, Kobe wore, this shoe came out in 2004, so I believe that All-Star year. Kobe Bryant wore this in the All-Star game. I think their jerseys was red, white, and blue. I'll see if I can put a picture up of him wearing these in the All-Star game with the uniform. And it was in LA. So if you look at this, it says LA with the Nike sign red and blue. But if you look closely, it kind of mimics Kobe Bryant's 2-4. So right in here, you can see the kind of little edge of the 2. And then here, you can kind of see the 4 going like that. So it's LA and 2-4. I like how they did a play on that. So that's pretty cool. All along the box, it has 2004 limited edition on the bottom in blue. Red stars all over it. Great hits. Have that another symbol right there. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, so we got the LA and Kobe symbol right there as well. And then here's the sizing tag. Now here's the thing. I haven't had a pair of these since back in the day. And you know, just watching reviews, they said they run big. So I just went with a size 10. My true to size and pretty much everything is a 10.5, so I just went with a size 10 just to be clear, and I'll go over sizing later on in the video, so you know we can get that correct. But the tag reads Air Zoom Huarache 2K4 All-Star White Varsity Royal, and has Varsity Red on it as well. A dust bag, which is fire. Then it has like a view of LA in that blue and black. So dope, man. Packaging is awesome. And here's a full look at the box right here. So fire, man. And then you get your YCM green and white sticker right there, which you should have in your box. And then on this side, you get that compass looking thing right there. So that's how the box should look. Let's see here, enough of the box. Let's go ahead and jump right into the kicks. Then on top of the dust bag, you have that patch that has the LA and 2-4, have some stars, and that's actually a patch. It's actually stitched in to the dust bag. It's fire. It's a very quality, nice dust bag with blue tassels. And then on top of the dust bag, to open it, you have a red lock lace with the Nike swoosh in white. Fire presentation, man. Fire. Let's go ahead and open this up. As you open the dust bag, the shoes will come not individually wrapped, but just wrapped up together. Nice. And then there are the shoes. Woo! Yeah. I haven't seen these in so long, man. Fire. Yeah, man. I'm glad I was able to cop, man, for sure. Let me put this back in the box real quick. Put the dust bag on top. Alright. So let me take a peek real quick before we hop into the review. Yeah. These are nice, man. Yeah, these are nice. These are dope. Alright. So without further ado, let's get into the Air Zoom Huarache 2K4 All-Star.
Rob Rachmaninoff.
Okay, so let's hop right into the review. So I can put these on feet and go over sizing because I'm eager to throw these on. These are dope, man. Okay, enough of that. Outsole, red, black, white. You got red, you got black hits of carbon fiber right there on the side, right here. And then you have the black Nike sign in that carbon fiber as well. Blue hits and red hits and white on the forefoot, all red on the back. And then this little strip right here says Zoom Air in gray with the clear. So I can bring that to you, and it's clear right there. Fire. Moving up to the midsole, you got that red midsole, and it's like spongy. I guess it has that Zoom Air technology all the way through it. This is like one of the best basketball shoes you can actually ball in. I remember these back in the day. I definitely balled in mine that I had. And you got that red hit, nice red, varsity red. You got a blue liner coming atop that red right there on the midsole, which is a beautiful touch, and that goes all the way around to the medial side as well. Still sticking with the lateral side. Upper, you have, I don't know what kind of leather this is. I mean, it's some type of leather material, but it's not like a genuine leather. I'm pretty sure it's like a leather that's made for like lightweight basketball, but you have that along the upper of the shoe. This blue swoosh is like almost like a nylon material with the stitching around it. It just looks so beautiful how it pops off that white, and then you got the red and blue right here. Dope, man. And you have perforated holes not on the lateral side, but on the medial side. You have the perforated holes right there. You have some perforated holes right here on the toe box, white toe box. And then right above the toe box, you have Nike in blue, and you have red underneath it like a plastic hit right at the top of the toe box right there before the laces start. White. Looks like a rope style type of laces. White tongue with the perforated holes on a lateral side. You have a little swoosh right there in white hitting off that blue, which is beautiful. And if you look closely, that blue is like outlined in red going all the way around. Such a dope hit, man. They really did their thing on these. I forgot how they look, man. I haven't had a pair in so long. So along the strap, you have Huarache 2K4. I don't know what that first letter, I think is that HL? I'm not sure, but if you look along the strap, that's the writing that you have along the strap. Let's see here, you got gray and blue hits on the end of the strap, but here's what I wanted to show you inside. So inside the shoe, as you open it, you can see right here, that says 2/15/2004, and I believe that's when the All-Star game was. You can see that right there. So dope. And right here on the top is just the icing on the cake right here. You have that sign right there that I showed you in the beginning, that LA, but 2-4, play off the 2-4 and LA in blue. Got the red swoosh right there. Whew, man, and then right here on the back heel, you have like the hard plastic, have a little red little hit right here, but that's dope as well. On the back, I love how that plays off the white. And then here, right here, man, you have the Huarache sign in a white hard plastic piece that kind of just pops off that blue. These are dope, man. Dope, dope, dope. Let me see what's in the inside. Doesn't come with any extra spare laces. Do get shoe trees with this pair, not paper. Back of the tongue, you just have your sizing tag label. And inside, you have a blue Huarache sign, perforated holes, and white sock insole. Sorry, white insole. You can see right there. Fire, yeah. And here's the tongue. You can see the tongue is just a neoprene tongue, and it's just like you got the perforated holes all in, and the whole tongue is like the neoprene. Like it's almost like a. It's like not a whole sock, but it's like a sock, you know, just like you get with the Huaraches. So that's how it looks on the inside. So that's pretty much the review. Let me see if the right shoe is anything different on the right shoe. No, same thing. In the inside, also everything's the same on the left shoe as it is on the right shoe. So comment in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? Did you go for a pair? They were going for $210, which is kind of a hefty price, but I did see a pair is going for sale for $178 on Soul Play, but you know, other than that, I haven't seen them really go on sale. So I think they're pretty much going at this point. But if you go in store, I think they're still in Foot Lockers. Last time I was in there over the weekend, they were still in Foot Locker, and it looked like they had plenty of pairs. So you can go in there and see if your Foot Locker has them, and if they do, maybe wait till they go on sale and grab a pair. But you know, if not, if you're a fan of these and you love them, go ahead and cop them now. Neglected to mention, on the top of the heel, you have this I guess it's like a neoprene type of netting right here that's clear, and around it you have gray outline around that part right there. So I think that's for breathability, things of that nature. It's pretty dope, man. If you can find a sock that has like a blue LA or something that comes like right about here to peek through that, that'd be pretty dope. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into sizing, and then we'll come back and end the review. So this is what they look like on feet, and yeah. So for sizing, I would say I could have went with my true to size. So they are snug, but they're not uncomfortable snug, you know what I mean? But I could have definitely went with my 10.5. I sized down a half a size, but my recommendation to you would be to go with your true to size. So like I said, they're snug, but not uncomfortable snug. And I don't have them tied up. I do that on purpose just to see how a shoe would feel without it being tied, because I do tie my shoes. But they feel like what a Huarache would feel like with an inner booty and a basketball shoe. So they're supposed to be snug. So my recommendation, go true to size. So with that being said, let's hop back into the video and end the review off. So that'll take care of the sizing portion of the video. So like I said, they do fit snug. Actually, I could have went with a true to size, my true to size 10.5. So my recommendation for these is I would go true to size. Go with your true to size and you should be fine. Me going down a size, it's not uncomfortable. Like I said, it's snug, and I think it's supposed to be like that because it is a basketball shoe. I think the more I wear them, they'll probably loosen up a bit, but you can go true to size in these for sure. So with that being said, go ahead and end the video off. I appreciate all the support once again. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channels. I'll keep bringing these reviews to you. I got the Stranger Thing foams coming your way, and the Kobe, I do have the Kobe 3Ds coming your way. And we will have the Wolf Gray. I'm sorry I wasn't able to grab them in store today. They sold out every raffle I picked for in store. I didn't hit. JD Sports, they only had the ship to me option for my area in Delaware. So I do apologize for that. I really wanted to do the Wolf Gray review and on foot today. I really did, but you know, we'll have to wait. Hopefully they'll be here by Tuesday, Wednesday next week. I can go ahead and show that to you with a fit in my shorts. So make sure you're looking at my shorts as well. That's where I put how to style most of these shoes and put them together with a fit. It's on my shorts. So all my how to styles are on my shorts primarily. So that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this on foot. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate the support once again. Until the next video, I'm out.
Rob. Rock man enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one, I'm so white, this world they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so what this world they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.